NexBack is India's leading review rewards platform where users can earn real rewards by sharing honest video reviews about their smartphones. Share your experiences and get rewards for every successful review. That's NexBack. To start using the NexBack app, follow the following steps. Open the Play Store or the App Store on your smartphone and download the NexBack app. After downloading the app, complete the registration using your mobile number. Once registration is successful, you will see the app's first interface. On the first screen of the app, you will see Home, Activity, Profile, Wallet, Notifications. Follow these steps to update your profile. Step 1. Open the Home section. Step 2. Click on the profile icon on the top left. Here, you can update your profile image, your first name, and your last name. In the profile section, you will also find your wallet, your transaction history, contact us, and app tutorial. What is app tutorial and how to watch it? The app tutorial is an important section that explains how to create a video review. Create and upload your video after you give the ratings. Here, you will see the option to upload a video. While creating the video, keep the following points in mind. The phone you are reviewing must be visible in the video. You must shoot the video using another phone. The video should be in landscape mode. Your face should be clearly visible, your voice should be clearly audible, and the video duration should be between 15 and 60 seconds. For the video script, you may check the Instagram bio or this link. Click on Upload Video and then submit the video. After uploading the video, click on the Verify button. Once your review is submitted, you can earn a reward of up to 200 when a brand purchases your video. Next, fill in your basic details: name, state, district, postal code, age, profession, gender. After filling all the details, click the Submit button. Videos are approved faster when all the details are completed. How to check your activity status of the review? When you open the Activity tab, you will see these things: the total review, which shows your total approved reviews; the total reward, which shows all the rewards you've earned from the videos and referrals; the recent view shows all the reviews and their status, approved or rejected. If a video is rejected, the reason will also be shown here. Once your review is submitted, you can earn a reward of up to 200 when a brand purchases your video. To withdraw money, go to the Wallet section. Here, you will be able to see your total balance and the amount that is available for withdrawal. To open the Wallet section, click on the wallet icon from the bottom menu. You will see your current balance and you're available to withdraw now. You can withdraw only the amount shown under Available to Withdraw. There are two ways to withdraw your money. The first method is the bank account. Open the Wallet section and go to Select Withdraw Method. Click on the plus icon and select Bank Account. Click Add New and enter the account number, IFSC code, account holder name. Click Link Account and your bank account will be linked. The other way is UPI. Open the Wallet section, click on plus and select UPI. Click on Add New and enter your UPI ID. After verification, you can easily withdraw money. For any assistance, please contact us through the Contact Us section on the app.